We're here with Ian Hughes after our 3-0 win against Carmarthen. Ian, a clean sheet. How happy must that be?
Yeah, that's the important thing tonight, I think, was keeping a clean sheet. We've not kept a clean sheet since the 4th of December. And the players were aware of that, and I think it's been playing on their mind. But we've been working hard in training on defending. Wyn Thomas needs praise because he's done really well with the back four. He's obviously had 500 and odd games himself playing at centre-half at this level, so he knows what it means. And I think he and the back four, goalkeeper, and the team as a whole, I suppose, out of possession of the ball, deserve great credit.
As a unit tonight, we looked completely solid. Mike Lewis had very little to do except come out to catch a couple of crosses. Was that a testament to the work the defence have been doing together?
Yeah, totally. I mean, I think Mike gets picked on sometimes in terms because we concede goals. They automatically look at the goalkeeper. But tonight, that's what we should be doing. We should be stopping players taking shots at our goalkeeper and our goal. And we did that today. I can't remember a shot that hit the target for them. And that is testament to the team. And that was the important thing that we did first, was defend, do the dirty stuff. Because we know it's going to be a battle coming down here. And then once you do that, it allows you to play your football in their half, which we did, and we got the three goals that we deserved.
And a special mention to Craig Williams at left back, who I thought was phenomenal this evening.
Yeah, Craig, he's a talented player wherever you play him. He does a job for you. At left back, he likes to step in with the ball, so he's an attacking threat as well at left back. But I thought defensively tonight, Craig did really well. I thought he won his headers, which was important. He was up against Bassett, and I think Bassett went off soon in the second half. And Bassett's a good player. Bassett's a good winger, who's a quick player, who's their captain. So I think he deserves great credit, as the back four as a whole do.